Hello everybody. I am Kabir Singh. I am an avid coder, founder at Jigsaw Minds, mentored 20,000 plus people on YouTube, 3,000, 4,000 plus people, 3,000 plus people over personal mentoring. Plus, I have also gained approximately 50,000 plus views over my YouTube webinars that I've taken till now, including my own channel, then different channels. So easy code, Codeverse now. So yeah, it keeps on adding on every day. So teaching experience of 1 year. The subjects that I usually take are Java fundamentals, C++, data structures, algorithms, Flutter, Dart, and etc. And basically what happens in this subscription is that you will get a chance to talk to the HRs, know what they're going to do and how they're going to recruit, what are the eligibility criterias, how you can apply, what are the new companies coming up for you. So if you want to start a career as a developer or you just started it, this is the right thing for you. You can get it for 999 rupees and you can buy it with the code Kabir and get an extra 10% off. So kind of 899 rupees approximately. So other than that, you have the CodeChef Apprentice, which is happening every Saturday in the same thing on at 2 p.m. where Sai Avinash, an SD at Google, who also mentors you on Codeverse, and a 7-star CodeChef person, he's going to come up with 3-star CodeChef competitive enthusiasts, and he's going to solve questions with them and pick up a few questions that you are going to ask him, and he's going to solve them also for you. So this is something entirely about the career as a developer subscription. You can go for it and it's perfect. So if you're new here, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We are this close to 20,000 subscribers and we can reach them pretty soon, only if you guys help us with that. So hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, because subscribe is good, but when you like it, I see it in my screen and I kind of feel good when you guys like the stream, because I get motivated coming live every day for you guys and getting you new content. Okay, so there are a lot of new people coming up right now, a lot of new people that I can see. So half of you guys are from the easy code, as I can see. People like Rajat, Vaishnavi, then people like Sonam Mishra, all you guys are from easy code, but there are a new set of people who have come from Codeverse. So if you want to join my group, if you want to be a part of Kabir Singh Codes, you can go in the description below, hit on the Telegram link and join the Kabir Singh Codes family. So what is the Kabir Singh Codes family? We are basically building up a group in which we are filling up students who are enthusiasts for programming, who want to learn different programming languages, development languages, everything. So we are kind of getting all of them in one single group, and we are going to build a very good kind of a community kind of a thing by the end of this year, and aiming 1,000 plus people. Okay, so you can go with it. Other than that, guys, just giving you an overview on what we're going to start, what we're going to do today. So before that, I'll just read the chat. Sir, will you take whole competitive part? I'm not sure about that, Azhar Mahmood. I'll be informing this pretty soon in my coming lectures. Today, okay, yeah, lecture timing is shifting. Yeah, lecture timing is shifting because this was planned way before. So that's why I kind of had to do it at 4 p.m. Are we going to do some interview related questions? Shivam Goel, Shivam Guglani. Totally, we are going to do them. Sir, easy code में आपका C++ वीडियो नंबर 21, 22, 23, 24 प्राइवेट है. प्लीज सर प्राइवेट मत करो. ओके, दिस इज समथिंग आई डिड नॉट नोटिस. ओके, वन सेकेंड. जो संजीत जो प्राइवेट है वो यही वाला है जो अभी मतलब आप देख रहे हो ना सेशन. It's the same session, like the session which you're watching right now. This is the session which was to be taken there and I'm taking it here. Understand? So I'll just check out my playlist once. Give me 1 second. Yeah. जो the things which are private are to be taken here. तो ये record हो रहा है. It will be put up there also. Don't worry. Sir, are you gonna have string related questions also along? Yes, Shantanu, I will be giving you theory and questions. Now, 1 second, I'll just tell everything. Give me 2 minutes. Yesterday night, Mihit sir taught us backtracking and end the session at 1 a.m. काफी बढ़िया था. I know he's a very good tutor, and that's really good that you liked his content. If you guys want me to take late night sessions, I'm in, because yeah, I like it. So no worries with that. If you want me to take late night sessions, you can tell me in the chat. I'll take them in this month maybe, or next month, anything. Okay. So okay, now I'll tell you the agenda for today, what we are going to do, how I am going to teach you, everything I'm going to tell you right now, and we are gonna have fun. So see guys, basically the thing is that we are going to take two sessions right now. One is gonna end at 5:15. ठीक है, तो ये वाला session is going to end at 5:15, and we are going to study the theory for strings. Once we have done the theory, I'll switch the stream off. I'll give you a 15 minutes break. Correct? So I will be giving you a 15 minutes break, and then you will come and join the session again at 5:30 p.m. Okay? Easy, understood? 4:15 to 5:15 one session, 5:30 another session is gonna start. So 4:15 to 5:15 I'll be teaching you the theory, 5:15 to 6:15 6:30 I'll be teaching you the questions. ठीक है, तो पहले theory and then we'll implement that theory over there. तो पहले सीखेंगे, उसके बाद उसको प्रैक्टिकली चेक भी कर लेंगे कि हमने क्या सीखा. अंडरस्टूड? इजी गाइस? यस और नो? Sure. I'll try doing that. Give me some time, guys. It's all new right now. A lot of new things are happening, and yeah. So, Kabir sir, you can take night session, please. And BTech में sir specialization लेने से placement में effect पड़ता है. I am second year student, please. BTech में sir स्पेशलाइजेशन नहीं लेने से प्लेसमेंट नहीं देखो रजत, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द स्पेशलाइजेशन, my college also has things like AI and data science and data analysis, all that. I never went for that, and I don't know. See, I have a very basic agenda of life that whenever I am streaming, I do not comment on things I'm not sure about. So हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता, depends on my college, your college. Every college is different. Today in my college, I know there won't be any difference. There are people watching me from my college also. There are my juniors also who are watching me from my college. कोई difference नहीं होता. ठीक है, तो मेरे लिए कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. हो सकता है इन योर कॉलेज देयर माइट बी अ डिफरेंस, बट इन माय कॉलेज आई डोंट सी एनी डिफरेंस. सर, आई एम इन 5th सेम, कैन आई बी प्लेस्ड वॉचिंग ऑल योर लेक्चर्स? You cannot be placed watching all my lectures. You can be placed if you work hard and watch my lectures. Okay, so just watching my lectures won't take you anywhere. You have to go and just practice more. Understand? ठीक है, चलो. Are you guys ready? What are you doing? Naina Verma, I am going to teach strings right now. So I will be covering 3 points by the end of this session. That is by 5:15 p.m. I will be covering up what are strings, declaring strings in C++, and taking inputs and outputs in different ways. It's going to be fun, and I'm going to teach you in such a way that you will not even realize that you're learning something new, and काफी अच्छे से you will be able to understand the concept. ठीक है, so I guess we should not waste more time and just shift to our notes now without wasting much time, and let's just create a new pen book for you guys. So we'll say strings, and we'll go for our box. We'll create the pen book. Easy. So this is a normal notes kind of a thing where I'll be writing the notes. Now all the notes that I'll be writing over here, you will get them only if you join my Telegram channel, Kabir Singh Codes. उसको join करोगे, you will get it, because I will be sending these notes right away. जैसे ही session को बंद करूंगा, बंद करने से पहले I'll be giving you the notes. हाँ रजत, I will be doing it 5 p.m. only these 2 days we'll be doing it at 4 p.m. and my apologies to all the people who are watching, and all the people who come every day from the 2nd of August who are coming. I'm so sorry कि I'm changing times again and again, but you won't face this issue other than today and tomorrow. So I apologize. Okay. So let's go, guys. Let's not waste much time. A lot of new people, and I am pretty excited to teach you now. So one question before I start. What are strings? Anybody who can tell me? Sir, only strings, sir. I want arrays live classes. Akash Datta, array live classes मैंने already ले रखे हैं इजी कोड चैनल पे. उसका लिंक मैं डलवा दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में या कहीं. प्लेलिस्ट लिंक है ना, एक प्लेलिस्ट लिंक है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. देयर इज अ प्लेलिस्ट लिंक. ओके, I'll check it out. Let me figure it out. I'll give it to you. Don't worry. Join the Telegram channel. वहां पे सब कुछ डाल दूंगा मैं. ठीक है, चलो. Can somebody tell me what are strings? चलो, come on guys. Tell me what are strings. Tell me. We are gonna learn strings today. And in strings, we are gonna have a lot of fun. So I just want one answer. What are strings? Collection of characters. Preetham Kumar says collection of characters. Okay, fair enough if you say that. And okay, I am sorry, back. Yeah. So you say strings are collection of characters. Okay. Anybody else who wants to come up and give me an answer on what are strings? Sir, in Java, strings are considered as objects. Okay, Aditya Thakur. Strings are the collection of words. Okay. Fair enough. You guys are going great. So, any different answer from this? Who would like to kind of impress me with the answer? Somebody who's up for kind of impressing me with their answer on what are strings? Performing operation, combination of letter, performing option, concatenate, append is easier. Okay. Rajat Joshi, this doesn't determine what are strings. Your answer kind of tells me features of strings, but does not tell me what strings basically are. That's what I feel. Okay. Now I'll ask you a simple question. बहुत simple question है. Have you heard of arrays? We were studying arrays, like, right? So the people who have joined the session from the previous lectures, you know what are arrays, right? We studied what are arrays. So when you talk about arrays basically are collection of elements of same data type. Correct? So collection of elements of same data type are called arrays. Now when I basically come up and I say I want an array of character data type, can it be a better option than strings? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me, can it be a better option than strings? Using using a character array, will it be a better option than strings? Give me a yes or a no in the chat, guys. Come on, 37, 35 people watching. And I am not getting answers in the chat. See, I'll tell you now. I'll tell you a basic thing. When you talk about an array and when you declare an array, the first thing which you have to do is declare the size of the array, right? The array should be of a specific size. Yeah, the array should be of a specific size. Preetham says taking a character array would be better than using strings, but Harsh Raghav says no. Rajat says yes, Divya says no. So it's a 50-50 thing. Correct. So it's a 50-50 thing. Okay. So now tell me one thing. If my character array has something like 4 names, okay? So 4 names are Preetham, Harsh, Rajat, and Divya. Okay, so Preetham, Harsh, Rajat, and Divya. ठीक है? Yeah, Rajat, your answer is right. So right now my string kind of a thing, if I call this as a string and we are declaring an array, we say we have 4 names, correct? Now for an example, do one thing, everybody who's watching it with all their attention and who are actually attentive in the class, write a hi in the chat. Come on, all those who are watching my session attentively, write a hi in the chat. Let's see who all come up with a hi in the chat. Okay. So now, till now, the students which I actually wrote were Preetham, Harsh, Rajat and Divya. But now that thing increased from Preetham, Harsh, Rajat and Divya to Rajat, Sonam, Aditya, Vaishnavi, Nikita, Siddharth, Akash, Preetham, Maheshwar Prasad, Harsh Raghav, Sanjeet Kumar. So what happened? I had declared my array of 4 elements and now my elements increased from 4 to I guess 10. Correct? My elements kind of increased from 4 to 10. Now I cannot stuff more elements over here because whenever I declare an array, my computer gives me a memory cabinet. When I declare an array of 4 integers, my computer gives me an array of 4 elements which are 4 bytes each, that is 16 bytes of total. Correct? Yes or no? Give me a yes or a no in the chat, guys. Come on. The size of one integer is always 4 bytes. So the size of 4 integers will be 4 into 4, that is 16 bytes. So now my computer gives me this, and now if I want to store 10 integers, I cannot because my cabinet does not have more space. Same goes with characters. If I give a 4 character array, I have space for only 4 characters. Where am I going to store the next 6? I cannot. This is where our actual string concept comes in handy. String basically is a data type or an object in it is different in different languages. In Java you call string as an object, but here you kind of use it similarly as a variable. Like you use int, you use string, you use char, everything is almost same. Understand? So when you're using string and you want to declare a new string, all you have to do is write your keyword string and give the name of the string, maybe str. That's all. Finished. Nothing else. This is all you have to do. So rather than declaring a proper array that is also fixed and you cannot add more elements in that, you can use string instead and you can add as many things as you want. Now in this, there are 2 types in which you can give your string. We have to increase array size we have to increase array size, but increasing the array size and using a random variable, which would be better? Tell me one thing. For increasing the array size, you'll write 4 more lines of code. First increase it, then add more numbers, then print it. Correct? But for writing it in the form of a string, all you have to write it string str is equal to Kabir. Ho gaya, khatam. Finished. Easy. Which is easier? Writing it in str equal to Kabir or writing it in the form of increasing array size? Which would be a better option to you guys? And we are this close to 50 likes. Just 6 likes away. Give me 50 likes if you can. Random variable is much better. Very good. So basically random variable is much better. That's why we use string. Yes or no? Did you guys understand? Give me a yes or a no in the chat, guys. If there is multiple arrays, the space is more. Rushikesh Ganesh, if there are multiple arrays, the amount of space accumulated by those arrays gets increased. One more time. Okay. See, basically what happens, you have an array has a limited size. Okay. So I'll give you a very simple example that just clicked my head. Okay. Very, very simple example. Everybody tell me one thing. You know your Android phone. Okay, this becomes Apple. Your Android phone has specific memory 256 GB, 128 GB, 64 GB. Yeah? Yes or no? Tell me. Talking about your laptop also has specific memory. Either it's 512 GB, 1 TB or 2 TB. Yeah? Yes or no? Yeah. Now tell me one thing. You have a phone, your phone or you have a laptop, your laptop gets full. Okay. You have a 1 TB hard disk in your laptop. Means you can only store 1000 GB of data inside your laptop. The moment your 1000 GB data gets fulfilled, you have two options. The first option is you take your laptop to a vendor, ask him to add more memory, you come back. Then obviously when he'll be adding more memory, you have to remove this. So what you can do is either you can go to the shopkeeper, tell him remove my 1 TB hard disk, add a 2 TB hard disk, and then I'll go home. First I'll take backup of my 1 TB hard disk, I'll add a new hard disk, and then I'll convert my backup or transfer my backup from my 1 TB to my 2 TB hard disk. First option, correct? Yes or no? And the second option is you just go to the market, buy a new external hard disk of 1 TB, get it, attach it to your laptop and use it. ज़्यादा better option कौन सा है? Please tell me the difference between below strings. कभी Sonam Mishra, the first Kabir entire name is the string, and the second in which you have put different characters, it is an array of Kabir. Understand? The first one is string, the second one is an array. So tell me, converting your 1 TB into 2 TB is easy, or just buying a new hard disk and adding your variables in it is more, adding your data in is external HDD is better? Yes or no? Others give me a yes or a no. External HDD would be a better option. Give me a yes or a no, guys. 41 people watching. Okay, still no answers. Okay, only Rushikesh and Nikita are attentive. Others and Sonam is asking doubts. Others, what happened to you guys? Okay, Rajat Joshi back in form. So basically, same goes with your arrays. Now, rather than converting your array of size 4 to size 8, then filling your elements again, just go and use string. Buy an external HDD, enter your variables in this. Easy. Understand? This is what the logic is. All you have to do is just take the easier path, smart way. Understood? So this is your basic agenda on how you basically treat your problem and how you basically understand your problem, put in your knowledge and combine it, and you give out a good output. Okay. So I'll just do one thing. I'll give you a simple. I'll give you a simple program, and we'll just solve a simple program. Okay. So I'll just write Codeverse as my folder name, and I'll make a new file and write strings.cpp. I'll close all my files and I'll just open a new file. Okay. Chalo. So for the new people, I'll write Kabir. Okay, 1 second. And I'll get my code. Now, whenever, understand one thing. Okay. I always give you small tips which you need to remember while you are coding in any language. Okay. So there are new people. So some of the tips will be repeated and some of the tips will be new. Okay. First tip is for solving big problems. Okay. For solving big problems, what is the one tip that I always give? People like Rajat and all, those who attend my lectures, this is a test for you. What is the tip that I give you guys for solving big problems? Tell me fast. What is that one golden tip that you are always given to solve a big problem? Or the new people can guess. If you're new to my stream and you're watching my lecture for the first time, stream is stuck, I guess. Rushikesh, you should refresh your tab because my internet is okay. Rajat and Vaishnavi, kind of making me proud that you guys actually listen to me. When you have a big problem, always divide it into sub problems. Very good. Okay. Second tip for arrays. Whenever you want to consider any element of an array, whenever you want to access any element of an array, you want to add any element in the array, remove any element from the array, what is the tip that I always give you? What should you use in such cases? Tell me. Tell me. What is the tip that I've given you to use? For loop. Very good, Rajat. For loop is something that you should always use for accessing elements. Now the third tip I'll be giving you, while you are using strings, remember one thing which almost all the students while they're giving their exams, they forget and they say, sir, I was getting an error in my question, is that whenever you are writing your code, how do you write your code? Hashtag include IOStream using namespace std, int main and your function. But whenever you are writing your code in the form of for strings, whenever you're writing a code for the strings, all you have to do is write an extra statement, an extra header file or an extra header statement that is hashtag include string. So 41 people watching. To all the new students who have joined me from today, now you are a part of Kabir Singh Codes family. Okay. So Kabir Singh Codes family has some things which we always do, that is give you tips and tricks. And those tips and tricks will be asked to you in any session. Okay. Like today I asked them, and people like Vaishnavi, Nikita, Rajat, then Piyush, Sonam, Preetham, all these people are actually able to answer it. So the new people who are here, you can also be, the face of our family. 58 likes, 2 likes away from 60 likes, guys. Do I always have to ask for likes? Are you not liking the stream? Hit the like button, people. हैशटैग इंक्लूड बिट्स यूज कर सकते हैं ना, हाँ वो भी कर सकते हैं यार, बट ये ज्यादा बेटर ऑप्शन है ना, ये ज्यादा बेटर है, इट्स बेटर टू यूज दिस. ठीक है. सो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज हैव टू यूज. कमिंग बैक टू आवर कोड, let's come back to our code. We have to write hash include string. Now one thing which I'll ask you as a challenge question is that should the s of string be small or capital? Come on, should the s be small or big, small or capital, lowercase or uppercase while using the header statement? Notes V, yeah, notes I'll give small. Okay, very good. Answer by Sujit, Rushikesh, Dikshant, Sujit again, Akash, Azim, Suresh, Piyush, Preet. Okay, a lot of new students, guys. I'll be very honest. This is kind of something I love, meeting new students. So hit the like button, join the Telegram channel, and be a part of our family. So yeah, it should be small. It should be small. Very good. To all the students who said it should be small, very good. And let's see. So this is what we do, string str. This is how we actually declare it. How do you take an input? Simple, cin str. How do you give an output? Cout str. Easy. Let's run it up. It's gonna wait for a input. I'll write Kabir. I got the output as Kabir. ठीक है? Simple. Nothing very complex, nothing very tough. Very, very easy. Correct? Yes or no? Give me a yes or a no in the chat, guys. Come on. I am waiting. Okay. Now, what is going to be next is that simple question asking you, sir, when you showed us the PPT, the first thing you told is that I will be teaching you what are strings. You told us what are strings, but you did not tell us the different ways of declaring strings. Yes or no? I did not tell you the different ways of declaring a string. Okay. So on the second page of our notes, I should kind of erase everything and give you some proper notes for this thing. Yeah. So when you talk about proper notes, your string should be having a syntax of string str, cin, str, cout, str. And if you give your input as Kabir, you will get your output as Kabir. Easy. Going back, let's discuss different ways of declaring strings. So we'll name it as declaration. Okay, my bad. Declaration of strings. Correct? So the first way of declaring the string was simply writing string, your name, and a semicolon. Okay? Simple way. Normal, simple Jamit Panchal, I don't think I will be teaching that here, but pretty soon I will be coming up with all that. I am also planning to teach you algorithms like the Dutch flag algorithm and all that. So the Dutch flag problems plus your deadlock and operating system, all those things, some good things will be coming up. Don't worry about that. Okay, this is easy, guys. ये समझ आया? So how will you declare this? You'll just say string. You can also write it like string str is equal to Kabir. Simple declaration. हाँ वो तो मैं दे दूंगा, मैं पूरा पीडीएफ दूंगा, ये पूरा दिस एंटायर पीडीएफ आई गिव यू. ठीक है. What will be the second thing? या स्लाइडिंग विंडो प्रॉब्लम भी अच्छा होता है यार. Now the second thing which can be there is declaring a string of specific size. So string of specific size. Now where does this come in handy? Now imagine your name, or I guess if we are taking the names of the countries of the world, okay, we are taking the names of the countries of the world and we calculate the length or the number of characters in the longest name. Okay, so let me check. I don't really know. क्या होता है? Can somebody tell me the name of the country which has the most amount of characters in it? Which country has the most number of characters in it? Just a random question. Longest country name in the world. Which is the longest country name in the world? United States of America. Just a GK question. Come on, guys. United States of America says Suresh. Indonesia, Nikita. Okay. Guess. Everybody guess. 45 people, 43 people watching. I want you to guess random names. Google करके करना है, Google करके करो. Normally देखना है, normally बोलो. Just guess random names. Okay. Shivam Guglani says USA. Uzbekistan. Prasoon. Okay. Come on, guys. I am waiting for more answers. If 46 people watching give me only 4 answers, how is that even justified? Okay, Rajat Joshi says India. 5 likes away from 70 likes, by the way, guys. United Kingdom. Very good, Rudra. Correct answer. So the highest number of characters in a name is UK, because the full form of UK is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. So it has total 56 characters. So now tell me one thing. If we are filling a form and the form involves the number of characters in the, like it involves the name of a country, so we can just write string country and we can just write 56. So the highest amount of characters that will go inside this string will be 56. Either it should be 56 or less, obviously, because if the highest amount of characters in a country's name, the longest name has 56 characters, others will have either 56 or less than that. Correct? So this is a normal logic. That's why we use the second type of declaration, which is called a string of specific size, and we say it as country 56, and we just write the number of elements that are to be involved. Now the next is string with specific size and character. So in this, we usually write the character, like the string name, and it should have specific number of characters, similar size. Okay, so it should have a size and it should have a character which is gonna be repeated. So if I write something like string str, say 5 comma k, so this string, when I output str, I will get 5 k's in a line. Understand? So initially, the first way of declaring a string is string str Kabir. The second way of declaring a string is string with a specific size. The third way of declaring a string is string with a specific size and specific character in it. Let's just code the specific character wala string once. So we can just write something like string str, and I'll remove this and I'll say, how many characters do you want? 5. Give me any random character. Come on. One alphabet. The first alphabet in the chat will be printed in the string. Come on. S. Okay. The first character in the chat was S, so I'll write an S and I'll run this code. Okay, one second. Control C, kill the terminal, run it back again. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry for the double quotes. It should be a single quote. Sonam Mishra, curly braces wala correct hota, because you will have to put it in the curly braces. Whenever you're using strings, it should be in curly normal. No, not curly braces. These are called brackets. Curly brackets, I guess. That's what you call them. I just read a post on this. Yeah, they're called brackets. So you have curly braces, brackets. I can show you this, I guess. So if you talk about if you talk about braces in or the symbols in your programming language, you have curly braces, brackets, square brackets, equal to, semicolon, single quotes, double equal to hash. Yeah, parentheses. Yeah. You can call it parentheses. So when you look at the output, you get 5 S's in the chat. Oh, sorry, in your output. I'm sorry, not in the chat. Okay, you get 5 S or S's if you call that. Okay. Correct? So did you guys understand the concept on how you can declare the strings? So there's one last way where you can declare the string, and in this declaration you kind of copy the string. So you write copy of string. Okay. So imagine you've declared a string str, and now you want to copy that string in some other string. So how are you going to do that? You'll write string, say string copy, in bracket, name of the string which you want to copy, and semicolon. हाँ, ये नोट्स हैं, ये नोट्स ही तो हैं. Thank you for the reminder, Rajat. Okay. So this is how you do it. String, copy, and copy of which string you want to make it. You can do it. Now I'll just do one thing. I'll code this also and show you. Okay. Now just a random question. How many of you are there on GitHub? How many of you know what is GitHub and you use it? Write me in the chat. Till then, I'll just code the copy. ये नोट्स कहां मिलेंगे? पूजा, यू हैव अ लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर टेलीग्राम. देर इज अ लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन जिसके आगे लिखा है टेलीग्राम और लिंक है, वो टेलीग्राम को ज्वाइन कर लो. ठीक है. नाउ निकिता, संदीप, सिद्धार्थ, सुरेश, सोनम, अच्छा एक मिनट, सोनम नहीं, सॉरी, रजत, आकाश, अजीम, दिनेश, नीरज. For all you guys, if you want all these codes and other programs that I have taught in C++ till now, एक GitHub लिंक है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, वो जाके GitHub रिपोजिटरी को स्टार कर दो. ठीक है. तो नोट्स भी मैं दे रहा हूं, बट गो एंड स्टार द रिपोजिटरी. मैं देख रहा हूं कितने लोग अभी स्टार कर रहे हैं. 17 लोगों ने स्टार करा हुआ है. मैं देखता हूं अभी कौन कौन स्टार करता है, मेरे पास नाम आ जाएगा. ठीक है. टिल देन आई जस्ट कोड दिस अप. सो इफ यू सी, स्ट्रिंग str को जब हम प्रिंट करेंगे तो यहां पे कबीर आ जाता है. एंड नाउ सी आउट में यहां पे हम ऐसा कुछ करते हैं दैट आई राइट str एंड देन आई राइट यहां पे स्ट्रिंग कॉपी str. ठीक है. एंड नाउ आई जस्ट कम हियर एंड आई प्रिंट सी आउट कॉपी, एंड कॉपी को प्रिंट कर देते हैं. ठीक है. तो हमारा एक्चुअल स्ट्रिंग और कॉपी स्ट्रिंग दोनों प्रिंट हो जाएंगे. सो आई जस्ट forgot to write endl. I'm sorry. I'll print it up again. So str आ गया और कॉपी आ गया. ठीक है. Amandeep, I am going to explain all the methods. Abhi, I'll again show you the PPT. Look at this. The first was what are strings. I completed that. Second was declaration strings in C++ or declaring strings in C++. I explained that right now. Now I will be explaining you types of inputs and outputs in strings. Okay, so we will go step by step. Otherwise, we won't be able to complete our thing. Okay. So 20 people, 3 more people start the repository. Let me just check who all did it. So Siddharth, and then I don't know, BDS Saman, and then there is some Try Nikita. So all these 3 people will be there in the thing who have, start the repository. Others can also go and start the repository. Yeah, I can use backslash front slash n or endl, anything. ठीक है. रजत यही बोला था आपने, क्लास के बाद करते हैं. कल भी देखा था मैंने, मेरे को याद है. ठीक है. 73 लाइक्स, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, सो यहां तक समझ आया गाइस? डिड यू गाइस अंडरस्टैंड टिल हियर? यस और नो? ओके, so basically these were the types of declarations and the types of things that are there in strings. Okay, so I kind of mentioned everything. Yeah, I saw it, Saman Ahmed. I just saw it. Okay, do you want this picture in your notes or you want me to remove it? Tell me guys. Do you want the picture in your notes or you want me to remove it? If you want me to remove it, I'll remove it. But if you don't want me to remove it, I won't remove it. Okay, okay, Rajat, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है. You want this picture? Okay, okay, okay. You want it? ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. चलो आई लीव इट ओवर हियर ओनली एंड ये वाला पेज खाली छोड़ू क्या? नहीं, आई राइट बिलो दिस ओनली. ठीक है. नाउ द थिंग इज कि basically there are different ways to input a string. Okay, so basically now till now what I was doing is taking inputs of small strings like एक name का string है ना. There is only one name, there is Kabir, or there is 5 s's in the input or something like that है ना. But अगर I want something like a sentence, okay, so now again write a hi in the chat everybody. I'll make a sentence from any one random student and we'll take an example. So this kind of keeps the chat also moving and kind of fun doing it. ठीक है, जल्दी से हाई लिख दो. कम ऑन. Okay, I'll take a new name now. Let's say Suresh and Piyush are classmates, something like that. Suresh and Piyush are good friends. ठीक है, this is my input. Now if I go to my code and I just remove everything from here. I remove this copy, I remove this, I write string over here and इधर मैं सिर्फ डिक्लेयर करके and I write cout enter your string and I write cin str. ठीक है, and I just run it up and over here enter your string में I write Suresh and Piyush are good friends. ठीक है. So when I wrote Suresh and Piyush are good friends, I got an output as only Suresh, whereas I had given the output as str. Understood? So the output came as only Suresh. Look at this. Output came as only Suresh and the input was Suresh and Piyush are good friends. So basically, when you use only str, you cannot give multiple characters or multiple words. You can use only one word. As soon as you press a space, that word always gets stored in str and that is only what you will get as an output and the rest is not even taken under consideration. Understood? Understood? Yes or no? ओके, तो अब सीन कैसा है कि वी हैव टू फिक्स दिस प्रॉब्लम. ऑब्वियसली वी कैन नॉट लिव विथ समथिंग लाइक दिस वेयर वी आर नॉट एबल टू एंटर सेंटेंसेस, राइट. मेरे को तो ये पूरी ही सेंटेंस चाहिए. बेसिकली वेन एवर आई एम गिविंग अ फुल सेंटेंस इन ओनली स्ट्रिंग str और मैंने वापस लाइक आई राइट स्ट्रिंग str, मैंने सी इन किया str and I gave a sentence as an input, it only took the first element and did not even consider the rest of the words because there was a space over here. Understood? Sir, if we don't add the space, what is going to happen? if we try something like this, that we do not even add the space. So Suresh and Piyush are good friends. I don't know if you are able to read it also or not. ठीक है, अब मैंने ये लिखा सुरेश एंड पीयूष आर गुड फ्रेंड्स विदाउट अ स्पेस, तो वो आ रहा है. But as soon as I add the space, it won't come because it is not going to take different characters. It is only and only going to take accumulated characters until there is a space involved in your input. So we need to fix this as soon as possible, and there is only one way to fix it. The thing which was told by Amandeep, that sir, tell us the concept of get line. Whenever you want to take an input in strings as a sentence, you have to use the function or the operation called as getLine, wherein you will write string str getLine cin str. This is your code in which you will be declaring a string and you will be saying get line. I want to get this line, the entire line with spaces in my str string. Understood? So your getLine function is used to take input of multiple characters or sentence. ठीक है? Guys, I'm making very explanatory notes, so please go through them and do share them with your friends also, so that they also have a little bit of benefit, and tell them about the class. Okay, so now this is your entire thing that I was explaining, that this is your kind of agenda for the same. So taking inputs kind of involves multiple sentences and single characters. So now this is what we are doing. Understood? Strings is a really important and fun topic, so we are going to have a lot of fun. So did you guys understand till here? Yes or no? Give me a yes or a no in the chat fast. Come on guys, give me a yes or a no in the chat. Yes, okay. So now I'm going to convert this entire PDF into notes for you guys. So I'll just convert it and I'm sending it on this thing. Where am I sending it? I'm sending it to the Telegram. Okay, so come to the Telegram channel and take your PDF. Part 1 by Kabir Singh. Okay, so how many of you are actually interested in knowing more about strings? Tell me fast. How many of you are interested in knowing more about strings? Write a me in the chat. DK Singh, that is the only way of giving you things. और तो कहीं से मैं दे नहीं सकता. सिर्फ टेलीग्राम पे लॉगिन करके ये चीजें ले लो, ठीक है? So all those who are interested, I am giving you a 15 minutes break, and exactly at 5:30 I will be meeting you on this channel again. Join the Telegram channel so that you can get the link to my next session, which is happening in 15 minutes. So you have a 15 minutes break. Go take your tea, go take your coffee, Go check your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Snapchat, do whatever you want. But in 15 minutes, I want everybody back again with a refreshed mind. Go wash your face, have fun. But I will be watching you again, teaching you again about strings in 15 minutes exactly at 5:30 on this channel. I have sent the notes on the Telegram channel. You can go and check them out, and you can download them. Don't worry, I'll be sending more notes in the coming sessions. So yeah, this is it. It was nice having you, and I will be seeing you. 10 people have already seen the notes. I am checking the analytics out. So I will be meeting you again in 15 minutes. Have fun. Come back in 15 minutes. Join the Telegram channel for the link. And people like DK Singh, अगर आपके पास Telegram नहीं है, you stay on the channel. New video live जाएगी तो उस पे join कर लेना. Strings part 2 will be happening right now in 15 minutes. Hit the like button. Let's aim 80 likes on this video if we can. So 80 likes will be a good number for ending the stream. So see you guys in 15 minutes. Have tea, have coffee, and have fun. Bye bye.